Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile here again. Got another unboxing for you today. And this is, actually it's going to be an unbagging too, it looks like. A Braven BRV-Mini, or basically a Braven-Mini Bluetooth speaker. And I saw that these were on sale. Chuck that out of the way. Last week, so typically these are 40 bucks. Oh. And I'm gonna need a knife. All right, hang on. All right, I'm back. Couldn't find my usual unboxing knife, so this one's gonna have to do. Man, it's a little too thick actually, but I hate it when they do this kind of tape job on these things. It's like, really? Come on. Braven speakers have never been easy, there we go, to get open. Now, a little story. This is not my first Braven speaker. Actually, you'll find on my channel from, like, I think it's 2013, an unboxing video of a Braven speaker, which was my first ever Bluetooth speaker. And this is back when Bluetooth speakers were pretty expensive. Anything else in there I missed? Nope. All right, get out of the way, knife. And I got that thing for like $80-some, and yeah, it was a pretty good speaker, but I'm guessing anything modern would blow it out of the water. So here it is. This is the BRV-Mini in black. Got the lanyard on there. I might take that off, but look at this pretty small guy. Now the reason I picked these up is because not only were they on sale, my frugal nature coming out, but also supposedly you can pair two of these together for stereo sound. And maybe you've seen the mini rig speakers that were on Zeos's channel, Z Reviews. He did a video about them a while ago and went on about how awesome they are. And I'm sure that they are, but they are $129 each, and the sub that comes with that you can get for them is like $140 on sale. And so, I wonder where the USB cable is. Did it? Maybe it fell down. I'm pretty sure I saw it, so it must have fallen down. No charger though. And anyway, and my frugal nature just came out. I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna spend $400 on a sound system. Now I'm sure a Bluetooth sound system. I'm sure it sounds amazing, but that's almost more than I spent on my desktop system. It's not, but it's close. So, yeah. You want to see the other one? All right. Let's got this one. And these were on sale. The black one was actually $18, and normally they are $40 when they first came out a couple years ago. And I like Braven speakers, but I think that there are just a lot better options on the market these days. And I know I'm curious to hear these, and maybe my opinions will change because these are not, you know, I think that was like the, oh man, I can't remember what it was even called. But unfortunately, I dropped it when I moved into this house a few years ago, and it had to be replaced. So the main thing this is doing is giving me time to tell a story. I'm trying to get this stupid tape cut. All right, there we go. And I've since moved on. I had a couple since then. I've had an Anchor, which was pretty good, and then I have a JBL Flip 2 that I really like. I got that for like 40 bucks when I moved in this house a few years ago, and it's been a great Bluetooth speaker, way better than the Braven that I had. I'll link to that. Yeah, I knew that there was a USB cable, but no. Wow, it's a short little USB. Oh, that's USB-C. Huh. That's cool. And thankfully, it's USB-A here so that you can connect it to chargers that we all have lying around the house. And so here's the red one. Red for right? Black for left. I hope it works out that way. And yeah, there it is. I like that one. That's a nice looking speaker. We'll have to see how they sound, you know. I'm not so sure, but yeah. Anyway, Back to my roots of my first Bluetooth speaker. These are supposed to pair together wirelessly, and a lot of times when that happens, they both are in mono, so it's not a stereo pair. The mini rigs that I was talking about, the Z reviews reviewed so long ago, I think it's been 3 or 4 years, they actually were stereo, and then you could hook up 2 subwoofers to them if you wanted to spend even more money and have like a $600 Bluetooth system. These together was like a $42 Bluetooth system. This one was $18, this one was like $25, $43, I guess, both on sale. So there you have it. These are the Braven BRV-Mini speakers. Bluetooth speakers, I should say. I thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. Also, consider becoming a patron. I will link my Patreon down in the description below. And remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.